It's me, Hannah, Doddle, and we're gonna play Royal High. Ooh. These are nice. So, I'm just a little sick, but I'm fine. New stuff. Ooh. I would love to be a creeper. I love creeper. Oh, and if you guys wanted me to play Minecraft, I don't know how to change your skin, okay? I don't know how to change your skin. I need to volume this down. It's so loud. I never knew Cass, my brother, Cass, doesn't care about loud stuff. It's so I wanna be a creeper. Yeah, guys, I'm sick. I love this. Yeah, this is fun. Oh wait, I forgot my it's supposed to be blonde. But I don't like spending my Robux. Is that a equipment master? Where did he get? Why can I fly? I need to fly. Okay, guys, fly. I can't fly because I have wings, but I don't fly. I have wings, but I don't fly. Doesn't make any sense. The hair is covering the ball. This fall. I don't like it. What about Inquisitor Master's hair? Where is Inquisitor Master's hair? Did they delete it? I want Inquisitor Master's hair. There it is. Okay. Yeah, gotta get back to normal, blah, blah, blah. How about this? Why does it keep doing that to me? Okay, guys, should I go back to a dark fairy or should I be a creeper? Wait, how much is this? I wonder how much is it? But can I get skirts? I've been wanting skirts, but I just can't. Oh my gosh! Why would you get so creepy? Yeah. I would rather take off my wings, because I don't want to be a dark fairy anymore. I am a dark fairy. Did you take off? No, I don't want it. There. Wait. I did not know that this was called Inquisitor Master. It just I said it was Inquisitor Master hair because it looked like Inquisitor Master's hair, but it's called Inquisitor Master. Oh. So, what are people wishing for? I wonder. I think they're wishing for I never gotten a halo. As you publish up that wishing well. I wish for a halo, the light halo. Next. Wishing well. I wish for a light halo. There. I'm not gonna read this out. 200. I would love to skip you. I'm so sorry. It's so cool, guys. No, that's so loud. Wait, what's this? What's this? But I didn't wish for this. I just got it. Where did I get this? No, it's not Christmas. Whoa. New Royal High. I thought it was gonna. My grandmother will blah 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 for not being a Bye. Ow. Anyone here? Hello? I see you. Kinda cute. Okay. Should I change my ow? Should I change this? Yeah, I should change. No, I want. Hello. Hello, how are you? What are you doing? What are you doing? Is anything wrong? Yeah, you're poor. I don't get used to it. Ah! Why do I keep falling when I just get off of the ground? Did I get it? Haha, I'm taking this. Why can I take it? Ow. Why? Hey, you stepped on my face. Hello. Ooh. Let me just take one bite. I guess this is weird, guys, but I'm just gonna give it to her. Is she back? Where is she? Oh, she's right there. Well, I guess I'm eating this by myself. Oh, that was fast. Yeah. Oh, I gotta go pick up my dorm. My dorm. Oh, I forgot I was gonna... I really want this. Ooh, why can't I just get it? Oh. I just want it. I said go away. Why do I have to take it home? No, I just want it. Give it. Okay, I gotta get it. Is it night? Is it night? Yes, I should probably get back to sleep. Why do I have to keep getting tortured by the walls? Okay. No. What's this? Ooh. Yes. There. Sleep. Huh? Who's there? Someone knocking? Who is there? Someone's out. Do I have to keep getting tortured when I die? Well, who is knocking? Okay. Who is that? Pug Glover 17